Everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with Ryan, the in-house Costa ambassador, to talk about the new Costa Broadbill.
Bill Road.
I really want to say Broadbill,
right?
And just go broad because they're like big, broady glasses, but I'm not going to do that. Or maybe I just did. Ryan knows everything about these glasses, so he's going to tell us about them.
Yeah, Rob. So we got the Broadbill, part of the core collection. What does that mean? That means these things are out there to perform out on the water, built for the Atlantic, built to take on that salty air and that salty water. So let's start with what it's made of. It's made of a bi-resin nylon.
Okay.
What is that, Rob?
Bi-resin is made out of castor plant instead of like petroleum, so it's better for the environment. If you didn't know, Costa is really into a lot of really cool environmental causes, like kicking plastic. We're a kick plastic ambassador. We got rid of all our paper plates and stuff. Anyways, you don't want to hear about that. You want to talk about glasses. These are made out of a super durable material that's plant-based. They'll withstand all the pressures of being a fisherman or fisherwoman.
Out on the water.
Yeah, pretty serious.
Another cool feature I really liked that they did was the vented nose pad. So it's going to control that airflow when you're out there. You don't have to worry about fogging or sweating or anything like that. I'm really excited to see how this performs for everyone out on the water.
Yeah, it's in the right exact perfect place. I think they really placed it. It's two small little vents where you would almost not think about, but I think it's strategically placed, and I think it's going to make actually a pretty big difference. So, and that's made out of hydrolite, right?
Yep, exactly.
And so is all of this temple.
Yep, you got the hydrolite on the temples and the nose bridge. You know, the more you sweat, the stickier and tackier it gets. And that way, if you're, big waves are coming, or if you're moving around these things, they aren't going anywhere. They're meant to stay on your face and help you see better.
And it's a full wrap, a lot of coverage. I would say that this is like a medium fit. Yeah. Maybe not medium to small, but also I don't think medium to large. I think like true medium. Costa's calling it.
Oh, they're calling it like a medium to large, and I think it's because how big the lenses are. But when they wrap around, it's like they.
I think it's more of a oversized large fit for a medium face person.
Exactly.
Someone who's looking for a lot of coverage. And wants that kind of bigger frame, but maybe not. I feel like they're a little small for me, but I'm large to extra large, so I would say medium, maybe hinting towards large, but definitely not for really big heads, not large or extra large heads like that. What else?
And then another really cool feature they got is these keeper-ready temple tips. So Costa came out with like a new loop retainer. It's basically meant you put it through the hole and it's to have a more secured feel, so that way your retainer's on there. You don't have to worry about your sunglasses going anywhere if they fall off or anything like that.
So instead of like going over, it goes through.
Exactly.
I did this before and I knew how to do it. There we go.
there it is.
We go.
Put it through, you can put it through, and much more secure to fit. That's right.
And it opens in the middle. That's how you get it on and off. Boom. Just in case you wanted to do the math on that. Speaking of math, maybe you want some numbers on how these glasses fit. So the width of the lens is 60 millimeters. The height of the lens is 44. The nose bridge area is 18. The overall hinge to hinge is 131, which to me is really in that medium category. And the temple length is 118. If the 118 sounds short to you, don't worry. The frame wraps so much, the temple starts farther back, so it doesn't need to be as long of a temple. Again, I think a medium fit, but an oversized look, an amazing pair of glasses. They do come, if you don't need a prescription, you can get them in the 580G, which is the glass lens, or the 580P, which is the plastic lens. If you need them in prescription, unfortunately, the lens is so big, you cannot get them in glass, but you can get them in Trivex, which is a great option, or polycarbonate. So if you have any RX questions, you can always contact us. We are opticians here at SportRx. If you have any other questions, leave it down in the comment section. Ryan will get back to you himself personally, I guarantee it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. Later.